Welcome everybody to a brand new YouTube channel. This channel is going to be about AI, making a lot of money with AI, and actually scaling your business with the help of this amazing technology that we now have. I've been down the rabbit hole for about the last year of basically every single day. I've listened to every VC podcast. I've listened to every founder podcast. I've played with all the tools, and I even built an AI startup that I'm already going to offer millions of dollars for. So as far as credibility and do I know what I'm talking about, I'm not a computer engineer. I don't really know how to code, but as far as using AI to make money and to help you in your business, I know a thing or two. So in this video, I want to start off on this channel with one of the biggest use cases that I found for AI, which is copywriting. Okay, so whether it's Claude or ChatGPT, I have figured out how to use AI to write as long as like 20-page video sales letters. Earlier this year, I had a couple of different clients where I was writing VSLs for, like completely different offers, 30 minutes, plug it into Claude with a great project framework, a great wrapper, and boom, I have an amazing VSL that I slightly have to edit. So in this video, I want to go over some of those best practices for, I think, VSLs, emails, maybe landing pages, headlines, and just some other tips that I found to help you guys out. So let's jump right into my computer. Okay, so we're here on my computer, and the first thing that I want to explain to you guys is, again, I'm going to teach this like this is brand new to you, like you're a beginner, because I don't want to skip steps. AI is still pretty new, where I'm sure a lot of you aren't entirely familiar. So really, really important that you understand how to talk to AI. Okay, so for example, let's go to a new chat. If I wanted to write a VSL, I would not say, write me a VSL about AI. That's not enough. The AI is very powerful, but it has to be prompted well. So instead of this, I would say something like, write me a VSL about how to scale your business with AI. And then this is where you get into the instructions. I want you to emulate Dan Kennedy, Jason Fladlian. And if you don't know who these people are, you should if you're worrying about copy. But one thing I've really found that's cool is you can tell AI to like emulate somebody, and it kind of does. So if I'm like, hey, I want you to emulate David Ogilvy, Dan Kennedy, like the greatest copywriters of all time, it understands like what you're trying to do. So I want you to emulate Dan Kennedy, Jason Fladlian, and use the greatest direct response sales letters of all time as examples for this VSL. Then we want to get even more detailed, okay? So make sure it follows this framework. So not only are we telling the AI, hey, I want you to emulate like the goats, and I want to make a VSL, like that's the kind of copy you're writing. It needs to be direct response. I want you to emulate those. But now we need to get really specific. So I want to say, start with a strong hook, incite curiosity. It doesn't matter if I can't spell here. Bridge into a great education portion. Create problems or amplify pain. Bridge into the solution you discovered. Bridge into a smooth start of the pitch. Break down a limited time pitch with scarcity. Make the offer and reiterate 3 times. FAQ section to answer all fears or concerns. Okay, so basically, this is the formula for a good VSL, right? Like if you've ever written a VSL, you want a strong hook, you want to incite curiosity, you want to bridge into some good education, like some actual value, create problems or amplify pain throughout that, bridge into the solution that you discovered, like hero's journey, bridge into a smooth start of the pitch, break down a limited time pitch with scarcity, make the offer, reiterate it 3 times, and you want to loop, and then you want to have an FAQ to answer all questions or concerns. So this will give me a pretty good starting point. And now, so we're going to copy this just to show you guys something cool, but let's just test this out. So we'll click go and we'll see what it does. Wow. Okay, so already, how overlooked entrepreneurs are quietly scaling their profits 5x while working half the hours. It's an all right headline. I would redo the headline. But as far as like the hook here, right now there's a small group of business owners who are making more money than ever before while working, I would say, while working fewer hours than they have in years, and watching their competitors slowly go out of business one by one. What's their secret? They discovered how to harness AI. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. Education portion, there's 3 critical shifts happening: problem amplification, solution bridge, pitch transition. So I would also probably add here that this needs to be like 30 minutes in length or something like that. But you guys can see here, this is not bad at all. Now, if you're comparing this to like a world-class copywriter, obviously I would sit down, I would work on this. But your average person, your average coach, guru, agency, whoever is using this is better than what you would get from like most of the people in your Twitter DMs. Now, here's a big hack I want to show you guys. So if you go to projects, you can save these prompts. So like here, I made this already. This was like to just flesh out a basic outline. I'm saying what I just said basically, right? So I'm actually going to use the one that I just made because it's better. I would specify this as AI VSL, but you can save this into what is called a project. And so now in Claude, when I go in here and I go into my projects, all I have to do is spit in the source material. And so another hack you can do is just go to ChatGPT, do deep research on the problem or the niche that you're in, the vertical, spit that deep research into Claude, into this project, and it will follow these prompts already for you. And you can set even more specific instructions here, like product knowledge. This is where you get the deep research and things like that. So you guys are starting to see, if you're new to this, how crazy this is. I can just go research something, find a great YouTube video on it, paste it in here, transcribe it, set it as the product knowledge, tell it what I want, and it spits out a great VSL, and I only need to go edit a few things. So like an hour or two of work, and I have a world-class VSL. Whereas before, this took me like weeks at a time. Now, there's a lot of other things you can do too. So for example, LinkedIn. So I have been wanting to grow my LinkedIn. So here's a great example. So we're saying, hey, I want you to act as a ghostwriter for my LinkedIn and Twitter accounts. I run, and then I'm telling it what I do. I want to position myself as an authority in the AI, sales, SaaS, and online business space. Posts need to be very conversational, not sound like a corporate robot. Here's an example of a post that I like. And then this is just some post I found on Twitter, but just the format, like the structure of the flow of the copy. I like this. So I save those instructions, and then I can basically, again, prompt this project and say, hey, I want you to write copy for me. And if you guys don't believe me, I have one of the, I think it's the top post on Twitter for a N8N thread, right? So read this copy, how we built AI agents, blah, 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 right? About N8N, how to connect things. This is all 100% written with Claude. It took me 5 seconds to write that. I think it's somewhere over here in one of my projects. So look at the feedback on this. 500 plus leads, 855 likes, 100,000 views. Took me 2 seconds to write this using this project. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is deep research, because you're only as good as the information you're feeding AI. Like obviously the AI knows how to think, and it knows like, okay, this is a VSL, this is how a VSL is structured, but you want to give it very good research. And so you can see, guys, I'm using GPT for everything. Like I'm doing this gut protocol right now. It's awesome. So if we go to deep research, let's say we're writing an AI VSL, right? I want you to research how companies are using AI to scale their business, replace slow employees, and save thousands of dollars a month. Let's stick to online businesses, not physical. Okay. So we'll click this, and now you got to wait a moment. Let's see. Can you clarify? Are you interested in specific types of businesses? Let's do info product businesses. Again, we're just using info product because I'm sure a lot of you guys are in the info product space. Let's see what we got. So scaling online businesses with AI tools, real generative research. So content creation is a huge gap. Consistent posting schedule, creating like lead magnets. It's very accurate. It's what we use it for. AI in marketing and sales, automated copywriting, and campaign content. That's what we're talking about right now. AI chatbots for sales and marketing, analytics. This is all pretty good. So what I would do then, just for example for you guys, is I would save this. I would go back into Claude. I would go back into our big AI VSL. I would paste that research in this spot. So like the project instructions, I would add this and add text content. And I would say, hey, here is like my research on info, like AI for the info space. I would add that. And then I would say, hey, rewrite it based on this new context and the new information that you have. Then it would spit out a really, really, really in-depth VSL based on real research. And so all I have to do, guys, is just know how to prompt AI and know how to make it understand what I want to do. And so here we even have stats. Well, that's sources. What do we have here? These are just different tools. I could even ask it for stats. Like in a good VSL, you want to have real information. Like studies show, you don't want it to be studies. You want it to be like this specific, like OpenAI says this or whatever. So we'll end it at that, guys. But this is a very, very easy way for you guys to add so much value to your business, to your service delivery, to your offering, and do a lot of really, really high level work for cheap. I don't even know how much Claude is. I think it's like $20 a month or something. It's very cheap. It's very easy. You can see how much I'm using this a day. I use this to code. I do this for a bunch of no code stuff that we'll make other videos on. So that's it. It's awesome. It'll save you a ton of time. It'll make you a ton of money. And this is something that you have to be doing right now or you're going to get left behind. So one favor from you guys, please comment below what you want to see videos on. I wanted to start with just an easy kind of a beginner high level video, but we can get as in depth as you would like. We're doing a lot of cool stuff. My startup Kendo AI is absolutely ripping right now. And we're doing a lot of cool stuff with AI there. So just let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you for watching this and welcome to the new channel. And hopefully we keep ripping these AI videos and I hope this helps. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next one.